Hello guys, I am Mantraid Chira. So today I am standing at the Prince Medicos, which is situated at the Court Road, sector number 6, Tuna Phatak and Hanumangarh Junction. So today I am gonna ask the shop owner some questions and try to find out his experience from his words only. So let's see what we can learn today. And so first of all, sir, I would like to ask you that can I take your 2 minutes and ask you some questions? क्या आप
Sure.
आपके लोग?
Sure.
Okay, that's great. And the first question I would like to ask you that what is your good name? आपका क्या नाम है?
My name is Jasprit Singh.
Jasprit Singh. Okay. And what is your age?
My age is the 31st.
ठीक है. So the next thing I would like to ask you, from how many years you are doing this business or doing this
मुझे
work?
इस बिजनेस को करते हुए ऑलमोस्ट 5 years हो गए.
Okay, that's great. So you are quite a little experienced in this work. So next thing I would like to ask you that if you wanna tell us that what is the most sold product of your shop, then what could it be? ये
हाँ.
क्या होगा?
Mummy Bogo pants is most selling
Okay.
product.
That's good. And approximately, if I tell you, it's not for the it may be confidential, but if you wanna share us, then you can share that what is your monthly income.
मंथली इनकम की बात करें तो 35 सब 45-40 के अराउंड हो जाता है.
Okay, so it is a good business. You can definitely come on it because it's around 35 or 40 you can earn in this business. So it's a great. And so, and apart from this, I would like to ask you that have you ever faced any challenges in this business or in this work? कभी challenges face किया आपने?
मैं रोज चैलेंजेस फेस करता हूँ.
जैसे आपको एग्जांपल देना चाहो कि आपने ये चैलेंज फेस किया और आपने उसको ऐसे सोल्व किया.
हाँ, यहाँ पे एक्चुअली रोज ही चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़ते हैं. रोज नए नए तरह के मरीज मिलते हैं जिनसे बात करते हैं तो अलग अलग सिचुएशन. चैलेंजेस तो मेन तो यही होते हैं कि पेशेंट आता है, पेशेंट को सुनो, एटलीस्ट उसको इतना सुनो कि समझ में आ जाए वो कि बोलना क्या चाह रहा है. ज़्यादातर क्या होता है, पेशेंट को कोई सुनता ही नहीं है, कोई भी हो जैसे भी. तो सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि उनको सुनना, अच्छे से सुनने के बाद में समझ में आने के बाद में हम उनको दवाई देते हैं.
So that's great. So basically, sir's work is apart from just handling the medicine,
Yes.
sir's work is also to do handle the patients also. He listens to the patient, what is their cause of problem, what is their problem, and then he gives them advice. Then he gives them medicine accordingly. So it's a big challenge also because we meet very different type of people. There are people who are very angry. There are people who are very soft with the person. So basically they deal with different type of people. So it's a quite challenging job also. So sir, last question I would like to ask you that what advice would you give to the young students who wanna come in this business, जो इस business में आना चाहते हैं, उसको आप क्या advice दोगे?
हाँ, जो इस बिजनेस में आना चाहते हैं उनको बोलना चाहूँगा भाई मत आओ.
Okay, thank you भैया जी for your valuable time. It was nice talking with you.
Thank you.
I enjoyed talking with you. Thank you.